Today we're making keto peanut butter and chocolate brownie muffins. Let's start with beating 4 medium eggs.
You can use hand mixer or egg whisker, same as mine. By the way, last week I published brownie muffin recipe with chocolate chip. The basic recipe is the same with chocolate chip, so whichever you prefer, peanut butter, chocolate chip, or both, why not? Let's add 1 cup of cocoa powder and 1 cup swirl. You can use other sweeteners as well, just adjust the amount as per your taste. Pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure it is sugar-free. 6 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. You can replace it with butter. Mix it with hand mixer or the egg whisker. You can find printable recipe including the macros, that's carbs, calories, fat and protein, in the description box below. Separate the mixture into 12 muffin forms. You can use a tray instead and just pour all the mixture onto the tray and bake, increasing 5 minutes the cooking time. Melt peanut butter in a microwave or in a water bath and start pouring a little bit in the middle of each muffin. I put about 2 teaspoons in each muffin. It's up to you how much you want, as much as you like, more or less, or just flavor. Finish the muffins swirling a little bit with toothpick or a barbecue skewer to create a nice form and swirl. Bake the brownie muffins in preheating oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let me know in the comment section below how your brownie muffins turn out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.